Okay, people, working on the shower still. So I'm getting pretty far. I sealed all the cracks and corners, and this red stuff is Red Guard. So Red Guard is a waterproof membrane, I guess you call it. So I'm gonna paint that on the whole inside of the shower, so that'll help waterproof it. And this is the Red Guard. Pretty expensive. This little, what is this? A gallon was $79. I really hated to buy it, but a lot of people use it in the homes and in RVs and stuff like this. Anywhere you're gonna have a lot of water. So I think it's gonna stop it from holding water to get mold. So it helps that. And it helps seals the cracks and all that stuff. So, you know, I'd hate to put this whole shower together and 2 years down the road it start leaking because I was being cheap. And I like to be cheap, so couldn't be cheap on this one. So you can also use this on the walls behind the sink. So I'm gonna put it behind the sink. Anywhere, you know, a lot of water in that area. So that's what we're doing now. So I'm gonna paint that on. And then I didn't think about this, but before I start doing the ceramic tile, I think I have to put the ceiling in this part of at least this part of the shower, because the tile will go up to the ceiling. So that means I have to put this enclosure part in. So I think I'll do that first, put the ceiling in, and then I can ceramic tile. Yep, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right.